Hey y'all, come along with me while I make this tutu. I started off by creating some ruffles from a boat of tulle that I purchased from BB Craft. I'll leave the link down below if you want to purchase this tulle. And so I started off by using my Juki to create ruffles with the tulle. I cut the tulle in 6-inch squares. So I started off by just making ruffles. I'm basically just pushing the tool through and like folding it over in some spots and pushing it through, creating a ruffle effect. And so I did this to probably not the whole boat, but I think about 10 yards. 10 yards of boat. 10 yards of tool, I'm sorry. I used to create this ruffle look. I also use my ruffle foot. I have a ruffle foot that I purchased off Amazon. Let me know in the comments if you would like the link. So I kept creating the ruffles until I felt I had enough. Because I'm creating a tutu for a 18-month-old. So I just kept creating the ruffles until I felt I had enough to go around the whole entire tutu. I also used 8 yards of fabric to create this actual tutu. I folded the tulle over, cut it 16 inches, and created a channel to add my elastic to create the actual tutu so that I can attach the ruffles that you see me creating here. I attach the ruffles to the actual tutu, which you'll see right here, I'm just still creating ruffles. I'm the tool. Just pushing it through, folding it in some spots until I get enough of the ruffles. So you do have to create a lot of ruffles. You do gotta sew the tool, a lot of the tool, so that the tutu can have somewhat fluffy effect. So you will wanna make a lot of ruffles. So like I said, I use 10 yards of tulle that I cut into 3 6-inch squares, if that makes sense. So right here, I'm just putting the tool. I made a channel to put the elastic through the tool, just like you see here. And I'm gonna connect each end of the elastic, and I'm gonna sew it down so that it doesn't come loose, just like you see here. Just sew straight down, just like that. So right here, I'm just fluffing the tool out. Then I sewed the ruffles all the way around the bottom. I hot glued pieces of ruffle all along the tutu to make it even fluffier. Then I made her a nice pretty tank using sequence fabric. I think I used a yard of sequence fabric, and this is the end result. I think it turned out beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments. And look at her, she's beautiful.